Hello and welcome to the Savify Discounts app tutorial series from KlinKode. Today we'll show you how to create a discount for all products except a specific collection items using the Savify Discounts app. Open the Savify Discounts app. Click the Create Discount button. You can choose from 3 discount types: order discount, product discount, and shipping discount. In this tutorial, we'll use the product discount type. Click on the Add a Condition button. From the list that appears, choose the Always condition. Let's set a discount name. This name is for internal use only. Next, set your discount code. You can either create one manually, or you can click on the Generate option. You can also choose Automatic Discount. If you select this option, make sure to enter a discount message, and this message will be displayed on the checkout page. For this video, we will select the discount code method. Let's make the discount code as Super Deal. Then we will set the discount value for the product discount. We can choose either percentage or fixed amount. We will keep the percentage and put 10% for product discount. Here, under Discount Applies to section, we can set the discount for all products or apply it to selected products only. Let's select Selected Products Only, and from the Selection Behavior drop-down, we will select the Skip this discount for the Selected Items Below option. We can skip or exclude discounts by products, tags, collection, vendors, or SKU. For this discount, we will select the collections. After selecting Collection, click on a Set Values button. Now, from the list that appears, choose the collection which you want to skip or exclude from the discount. For example, we select the Bear Collection option. It means the discount will be applied to all products except those in the Bear Collection. In the Maximum Discount Uses section, you can set how many times the discount can be used in total. And also you can set that each customer can use it only once. In the Combination section, you can allow this discount to be combined with other product, order, or shipping discounts, so customers can use multiple offers at the same time in a single order. To keep it simple, we'll use the default settings for Maximum Discount Uses and Combination. Now let's click on the Save button to create this discount rule. That's it. Your discount is live now. Let's go to the checkout page and test it out. Now apply the discount code and check. As expected, the discount applied to all products except those in the Bear collection. In this case, Snow Bear item doesn't have any discount. I hope this is clear. If you have any questions or need help, feel free to reach out via live chat or visit our contact page. You'll find both email and WhatsApp support options there. Thanks for using the Savify Discounts app. Happy selling!